everyone, this is Liz from Creative Life of Liz, and I'm here to talk about the kits I'm planning to use for March. So I haven't done one of these before, but I've seen some other creators posting these, and I thought it would be fun to share what I plan to use so you guys can kind of get a preview. So that's what we're going to do today. So first up, for the week of February 28th through March 6th, I'm going to use this kit from B&R Paper Crafts. It's called Cozy Home. Super fun, cozy home vibes. I thought it would be perfect for really this kind of anytime things. I feel like March is such a struggle on a theme, but this is one of those ultimate kits. I've used these before, and there's just so much in these kits. Here's the other four full boxes to go with these 9. And lots of functional. So I think I'm going to be able to like have a lot in the way of leftovers. But my plan is to use this kit, probably focusing most on the ones that seem the most indoor winter cozy vibes. Something like this. I love this and it looks super cute, but feels very summer. So probably I would save that one for whenever I future use the kit. But that's going to be the first one. Next up, for the week of March 7th through the 13th, I'm going to use this Counting Sheepy kit. I think it's just called Galaxy, but it's super fun and colorful, and I thought it would be nice for this anytime as well. Got some functional things, got all of these full boxes. I'll cut one of the full boxes down to be the headers that I will need, but I think it's fun and bright and cheerful, which is exactly what I want when the weather is kind of not like that. Third is March 14th through the 20th. It's going to be St. Patrick's Day that week, so I thought I would use this kit. This is from Lovely Planner. I think it's called Get Lucky. I could be wrong, but either way, it's a St. Patrick's themed kit with lots of like cute, fun things there. I love this little gnome guy, so excited to be using this one. And I like the inclusion of the teal, which is a little bit unusual in the color stunts of St. Patrick's Day, but I think it's a fun addition to this kit as well. So I will be ready to go for that one. Then comes the week of the 21st through the 27th. So this is my birthday week. It's going to be my 30th birthday actually. And so I kind of want to go a little bit extra. I'm not 100% sold on this kit, but this is the cottage kit from Chasing Shells. It was in her advent calendar from 2019. These are the extra scene boxes, but this is the full kit, and then it also has a set of glitter or foiled items as well in silver. So I like this kit. It's definitely very extra, which is good with by the time I add in all the silver foil, but I'm not totally sold that I want this kit for this week. So we're going to really just have to see how it goes. But right now, this is my plan. If you have any other birthday themed kits that you think would be a really good fit, that are really extra, that are ready to ship so that I could get them in time for my birthday, please let me know because I would be curious to see. But I do love this kit. I just don't know about for my birthday. But right now, this is my plan on what I'm going to use unless I find something I like more. And then lastly, the week of March 28th through, I think it's April 3rd will be at the end of that week. We will be in Phoenix for the first couple of days of that week still, since we're going to be on vacation for my birthday. So I'm using this pastel succulents kit from Organized Potato. I love that it's like super spring colors, but it also has all these succulents, which is very perfect for being in the desert. So that's my plan, and I think it's super cute. So I'm excited to use that one. So that's all I really have for today. Just a quick little video to show you my plans. But I'm excited to use all these things, and if you stick around on my channel for the next few weeks, you'll see them in use as I do these plan with me's. So as always, please like and subscribe below if you haven't already. I really appreciate it. It helps me out, and I also like to see that you guys are liking what's going on. Let me know what kits you're using. Also, if you have any super extra perfect birthday kits that I could get in time for my birthday, I would need it by like mid-March to make that happen. Please let me know that down below as well. And then follow me on Instagram at Creative Life of Liz. You'll see all these kits in use in my planner, as well as other kits, other things going on in life, what I'm reading, all that good stuff. And until next time, bye.